All right, this thing is amazing, straight up. This is the TerraPro electric air duster, and this thing is like, you need to get it. So first off, the box itself is just amazing. But let's unbox it because that's not the point. Here's the charging cable right here. Set that to the side. Here is the main piece right here. So straight up, this thing is very high quality. It's definitely got like a sturdy and durable vibe, but it's also very lightweight. So first, what we're gonna do, and this is gonna be great for, I'm gonna show it clean my keyboards a little dusty, and straight up, this thing does amazing. But this is a great thing to have in your car. Just, it gets the job done straight up. So we're gonna turn it on by pressing down that button right there, and it is in the third gear. You can see all three of those lights on. That means the third gear. And in order to make it work, I'm just gonna hold that down, and it's high powered. Want to go to second gear? You just press it once, and now it's in second gear, and it stays on now. Now it just stays on because it's not as high powered. Press it against one more time. It's on low. It's on the low vibe. This is a low vibe. We're gonna go back up to the high vibe, and I'm gonna clean my computer. And straight up, there's dust on it right now. Let me actually move this stuff so it is able to do it because it's very high powered. So here we go. There we go. And the dust is going off. Dust is going off the computer. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. This is crazy. Straight up. Very high quality. Highly recommend.